Manhunt launched for prime suspect in gruesome murder of 9-year-old girl. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Karian Simpson. Also this evening, National Security Minister and opposition react to little girl's murder. And Manchester and St. Elizabeth Police celebrating significant reductions in major crimes in parishes recently marred by worrying spikes. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. I'll have the details right after this break.